Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of our stamp and framelit bundle that's being featured on HSN on May 2nd. There are a ton of cute projects you can make, from tags to gift cards to shaker cards. I want to take a look at how we can use this cute little mermaid stamp included in the bundle. I always store my stamps and my framelits in my envelopes with magnetic sheets. One side has a surface that a stamp adheres to, and the other side is magnetic, so it's perfect for holding your framelits all together in one easy envelope. Let's take a look at how we use this mermaid stamp to create a cute little shaker card. I'm inking up my stamp, and I'm just going to use my Sizzix mini secret weapon to make sure that my ink transfers perfectly onto my surface. Now that I have my mermaid stamped, I kind of want to give it a little bit of unique dimension to it, so I have some dimension in that shaker card when I finish it. So I am going to use a piece of Sizzix adhesive foam sheets. And I'm just going to trim a piece down with my scissors just so I can save the rest of it to use for later. I'm going to peel the adhesive backing off, and I'm going to adhere that right on the back of where I stamped. And now we are ready to grab our framelit and cut this out. So again, I left my framelit on the back of my magnetic sheet, and I'm just going to line this framelit up right around the mermaid. And I'm just going to finish my Sizzix sandwich with one more cutting pad and roll this right through the big shot. And when we take this out, you see that you have a unique shape of dimension all around your little mermaid cutout. Now, since there's adhesive on both sides, you're able to peel this off, and you're able to adhere it right to your piece of paper. So you can see how one mermaid is flat and one has a nice dimension to it. To finish this off, we simply inserted it into a little plastic bag that has sequins in it and seal it up to create your own unique shaker card. So this is just one of the project possibilities you can make using the Sizzix Stamp and Framelit set that'll be featured on HSN on May 2nd. Hope to see you all there.